Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Bilal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, look, today our topic is addition and this is the part 2. Okay? Number of lecture 12 and HW number 11. Today I want to teach you addition. How can you solve 3-digit and 4-digit additions? Okay. For this reason today I have select 4 problem. Okay. Let's start the solution. Look, a number. This is 6 and this is 8. 6 and 8 you have to add. Dear student, you know in the previous class I have taught you how can you count the finger. Yes, today I will repeat a little bit. Okay, look, you consider this is 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. This is 5, this is 6, this is 7 and this is 8. You starting from here to here, this is 5. Starting from here to here, this is 5. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So if I say starting from here to here, what is the number? You say, sir, starting from here to here there is 6 number. Okay, if I say starting from here to here, how many numbers? You say, sir, up to this there are 7 numbers. Okay, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means starting from here to here there are 7 numbers. Okay. Similarly, starting from here to here there are 8 numbers. Similarly, starting from here to here there are 8 numbers. Okay. Like this way you count your finger. Look, you see here 6 plus 8. You count 6 plus 8. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. That means 6 plus 8 equal to 14. You see this is 14. Yes. Now you put these 4 in here and you have 1 in your hand. You see you have 1 in your hand. Look, now 0 plus 6. 0 plus 6 equal to what? 0. 6. 0 plus 6 equal to 6. And you have 1 in your hand. That means 6 and 1. This is equal to what? 7. Right? 7. Okay? You have no in hand now. Okay? Now you count 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5. Okay, 7. You see here, starting from here to here, this is 5. Starting from here to here, this is 5. Okay, now starting count 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, that means 7 plus 5 equal to 12. Right here 12. Okay. Okay, now you have to write the answer. Okay, write the answer 1, 2, 7, 4. That means 1274. Now I will solve B number question. Okay. You see the first number, this is 4 digit. And the second number, you see there are 3 digit. Okay. but additions rules are same. Addition rules are same. Look, again you count your finger like this way. Look, this is 9 plus 4. Okay? That's when you remember you adding 4 to 9 or 9 to 4. Same. 9 to 4 or 4 to 9. Same. Okay? You use it as you wish. Okay? Suppose this is 9 and this is 4. So as this is a bigger number, so I take at first. So 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 equal to what? You again count. 9, 10, 11. Again look 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay? Just understood? This is the 13. You write these 3 in here. And you have 1 in your hand. You have 1 in your hand. Okay? Now count. 7 plus 3. Okay? 7, 8, 9, 10. That means 7 plus 3 equal to 10. And you have 1 in your hand. That means 10 plus 1, 11. This is 11. Okay, so you put this one in here. And you have 1 in your hand. 1 in your hand. Okay. Now count. 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 equal to what? You know. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. But you have 1 in your hand. That means 4 plus 1 is equal to what? 5. Okay, put here 5. Okay, you have now no any hand. Now put 1, 1. Okay. Now you write the you write here 1. Okay. Now write the answer 1, 5, 1, 3. Okay. This is the answer. After solving, you may erase the rough. Okay. Now I will solve question number C. Question number C. Look. This is 9 and this is 4. Okay. Count now. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Again, look. 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. This is 13. This is 13. Now put this 3 in here. Put this 3 in here. And you have 1 in your hand. Mind it, you have 1 in your hand. Now 4 plus 3. Okay. 4 plus 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 and you have 1 in your hand. That means 7 plus 1. This is equal to 8. Right here. Okay. Right here 8. Okay, dear student, I hope you understood. Please keep attention. Now 3 plus 2 or 2 plus 3. Okay, say 3 plus 2 equal to what? 3, 4, 5. Right here 5. Okay, there is no in your hand. Now 2 plus 1. This is equal to what? 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. That means 3. Right here 3. Okay. Now right here 3. 3, 5, 8, 3. Don't forget to write the answer. Okay. I hope you understood. Now I will solve the question number D. You see here. Please keep attention. You see there are 3 digits. There are also 3 digits. Okay. Look. This is the ones place. and this is the ones place. Okay. So you add ones place to ones place. Okay. This is also ones place. This is also ones place. So you add ones place to ones place. Okay. 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 equal to what? 10. Okay. 9 plus 1 equal to 10. So you write here 0. Okay. And you have 1 in your hand. 1 in your hand. Okay. Now you consider this is the tens place. Tens place, and this is also tens place. This is also tens place. Okay. 8 plus 2. 8, 9, 10. That means 8 plus 10 equal to 10. And you have 1 in your hand. That means 10 plus 1. That means 11. This is the 11. So you put here only 1 and 1 in your hand. Okay. 1 in your hand. Okay. Now 7. You see, this is the ones, tens, hundred. This is the hundred place. This is the hundred place. This is the hundred place. Okay, dear student. This is the hundred place. So this is the also the hundred place. Okay. Now 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 equal to what? 7, 8, 9, 10. That means 7 plus 3 equal to 10. Okay. And you have how many number in your hand? 1. That means 7 plus 3, 10. 10 and you have 1. That means 10 plus 1 equal to 11. Okay, right here 11. Okay, dear student. I hope you understood. Now you wrap the erase section. Okay. Now don't forget to write the answer. You now write the answer 1, 1, 1, 0. That means 1110. Okay. Now I want to talk with you about our SW. Look, you see, this is your SW. SW number 11. Add. Okay. 13 plus 78 equal to what? Okay. 458 plus 308. Okay. You have to add these two. Okay, dear student. I hope you understood. Dear student, your assigned SW is very important for you, because on the basis of submission of your SW copy, you will get your CT marks and SPA marks. Guardians or anyone else can collect or submit these SW copies. You have to submit all of your SW copies on every Sunday within 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. and you collect these SW copies on next Sunday. Okay, dear student, I hope you understood today's discussion. You have to keep practicing at home and avoid by your parents. Stay safe, stay well, see you again.